Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add collaborators in Google Forms. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop, I just open Chrome browser and I just want to create a Google Forms. So I just log in with my Gmail account. I just go to Google Forms. Just go to forms.google.com. So you can create multiple forms over here. So I just want to create a blank form over here. So if I'm creating for the questions or if I'm creating different types of forms, so I want to collaborate with some other persons. For example, I'm preparing for my max examination question paper, so I want to add one more teacher to collaborate with my question paper so that they can also add and delete the events. What I have to do here, simple and easiest way. So I just want to create a max test over here. So I just want to add the student's name and I just want to get a collaboration with forms. The same forms should collaborate with another teacher. What I have to do here, simple and easiest click, you can collaborate your Google form with another user. What you have to do here, on your right hand side you will find a three dots, that is more option over here. Just click the button, so you will have a add collaborators. So just hit the button, automatically you can collaborate with the different people and you can give access to them so that they can also add and edit over there. So add editors to the max test. So I just want to add some other username, so I just have some users, my teachers, so I added over here. So you can create a different types of questions over here. So I just click here for the send option. So I just want to give a editor option so that this person can edit my form. So I just click here to send the invitation to him. So automatically the form will be sent as an invitation. Access is updated. So again I just open one more email account over here, so I will get updates. This is my updates over here. So just hit the button, you will have the HowXT official from the shared with you for the max test as you get my emails. Yes, HowXT officials. So max test Google Forms here. So in my new users, I just click here to open. Automatically my Google form will be open here like collaborations over here. So if I just want to add something else, I can add from my user, automatically that will update to you. So what I have to do here, so just click here to add one more question over here. So I just want to add some date of birth, so like a date and required field I have given over here. So date of birth I have given over here. So again I just want to add a admission number, so I just click here. So the short answer I given and required field will be there. So whatever I'm doing here, automatically it will add in my another user over here. See, so this is my HowXT account, so automatically it will add over here. So this is what the collaboration over here, the simple step to have a collaboration with both access. So this is my one more user here, so as well as this is my user, so that it will be add and debit over here. So max test with the collaborations options, whatever I'm adding or whatever I'm deleting, everything will be there. For example, I'm deleting from the max test over here, so I just want to delete here. Automatically it will reflect here also, as you see here. So name and admission number is here, so there will be a collaboration over there, so that everything will be reflect for the collaborations user. So simple and easiest way, you can create a form, you can collaborate with the people and you can add the people. So you can add more collaboration as well as you can delete the collaboration also. So if I just click here for the editor option to remove access, if I given means automatically it will remove for the collaboration. Otherwise I can transfer my ownership, means automatically the response, everything will be displayed over there for this user. So simple and easiest way, you can remove the access as well as you can give the ownership also. So you can restrict according to the name, you can restrict over there. So this is a simple and easiest way to form a Google form with the collaboration, to create your questions with another teachers with the different types of inputs they can give. Similarly, question papers and event registration or any types of Google forms with the collaboration you can use. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.